So it's August 31st, Saturday, 1:18 a.m. Sucks. This ruins everything. We're going out to. Didn't have a lot of energy to begin with, so you just scream of what you can, and it gets interrupted. So there's no way to live. Just prisoner of your own body. Pretty much never leave unless I have to. I need to get out. I need to live. I need to live with this, like disabled people do. And to function within the boundaries, that limitations that you have. And then you try to, rise above those even. So, I never give in, but I also know when, how far to push before it starts to turn on me. So, it's a constant 24/7 gig, thinking about every hiccup and choking spasm, when they're gonna start, how long they're gonna go on. Look what it's doing to us. Period. This is terrible.